Hi, I'm Peter Kalmstrom of kalmstrom.com Business Solutions. In this demonstration, I will show you how to make Templates Manager work inside Teams. Regretfully, inside this Files tab, the built-in Files tab, I am not allowed by Microsoft to add any new buttons or customizations. As soon as that will be possible, I'm sure I'll publish a new version of Templates Manager that takes use of that. But now we have to do a workaround, and it's rather simple. So first of all, let's show you that. I'll open this page in SharePoint, and you'll make sure that you have the template picker there. Otherwise, you'll have to install the SPFX version of the Templates Manager solution in your environment. But this works, so everything is good here. We just need to go into Pages and create a page that contains this web part, a library web part, and then we add that into Teams. So that's what we're going to do now. First of all, we add the site page, and then we remove this banner. We don't need the banner. Add a web part here, document library, and pick the documents. And here you see that's my docs folder, which corresponds to the channel inside my team site there. So now I just want to go in here and select that I want to show only that folder, docs there, and apply. So now I'm showing the same content there with the template picker. Great, so now I just want to save and close, and I will get a warning that I need a title. And this title is important because that's what's going to show up in your Teams, so on the Teams tab. So I'm going to call that Docs with Template Picker. There, save and close. Now it's saving that, great. And that page is, and then I can publish it. So now it's published. Now I'll go back to my Teams and just add a tab here. And that will be under the SharePoint section. And there I have pages, that's what I want. Docs with Template Picker, save that, and now I add that tab, and as you see now I have the Template Picker of Templates Manager inside Teams working. Now I can create a new file there. Now it's opening that in a new tab, just do some change there, and then as you see it's being saved inside the docs there. So just go back there. There's my file, great. Now let's go back to Teams. And if I go back into files here, you'll see there's my file back into the page. And there's my file also. So you might actually also want to remove the comments there on that page. So let's go over to SharePoint again and find the page. I'll make that modification to make it a little bit more perfect. So edit that page, remove the comments, and publish. So that concludes my demo. Thank you for watching.